Yeah, glory be to the Most High, give thanks to life. Hope all is well, you know. If it's the first time to this channel, please do subscribe. To subscribe, it's free. You know what I mean? At times we watch, but we forget to subscribe. So before we go any further, you can subscribe now, because you know we always try to do our best and come with good content. So this movie is somewhat educational to some extent, but entertaining. All right, so leave a comment, tell me what you think about it. Enough respect all the time. Burn it down to the ground.
JAMMIWOOD Studios. Curious King.
Give me like a time now. No, no.
Word of advice.
Never give up, never give up. Never give up, never give up. You can try again. You can try again. Never give up, never give up. No, never give up, never give up. No. Even when the world is closing door, and even when things is getting worse than it was before, even when the bills man come knocking at your door, even when the burden gets so heavy, feel like you just can't walk no more, I'm here whispering in your ears and saying, never give up, never give up, never give in, no. Never give up, never, 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 never give in. Cause you can try again. You can try again. You plant the seed, them and now it come rain. Life is so great, why you sit aside and you complain? Seems like something is wrong with your brain. Life is what it is, yes, and I can't apologize for all the things they did. That's in the past, that's in the past. And if you run a race and you're not focused, you know you're gonna come last. You may buck your toe sometime before, but I'm telling you, matter how hard, never give up, never give up, never give in. Never give up, never, never, never give in. Cause you can try again. You can try again. See, I'm a true testimony. See, I am a true testimony. I've been through the rough without any money. See, I am a true testimony. Oh, I've been through war and I ain't got no money, no. You can try again, no, 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 no. You can try again. Pray to the Most High, He will heal your pain. Whoa, you can try again. Everything remains the same, and you can try again.
How are you?
Man, me look down soup for drink, you know.
How you plan to do because the place was clean up, you know.
You can see that.
What the party we do for them last night, so may I try to finish edit something for them people I get it. You see it?
Other day, it seems like people they have everything in a store in a paper things, man. I me see one chip some more and buy, you know. Then you have in a original, but a beer pepper me I see in a store and me can eat the pepper, you know.
And that for them tell you so make it just a burn you because you have the acid reflux, the pepper.
Yeah, that them tell me say, if I to eat the pepper, because it go affect my stomach and so on. I mean, know when I smoke burn me, because it burn it.
Because you come in, you have to say, no, you're a kid in the morning, so come, see something and go wash your hair. You're young girl, you know, you want to grow like your papa son, I love wash your hair. Lock the door, though.
Lock the door.
Alright, just go look about the soup, something we all look about. And come back when I clean my place. Because I can't stop what I do to clean my place because the people them need to get them work. So I try to edit up it so they can get it to do what they want to do. Alright, do that.
Yo, we was going to stand here, but I'm going to chop or say in chat eat it up.
Okay, I'm pepper.
So, we'll kind of food.
Well, no pepper there. You can get some pepper from neighbor also.
Who don't find anything?
You want to wear yourself, I get some pepper from them.
I don't go.
So she had
She know they don't know that in their talk.
Mommy, come here. Come here, mommy. I'm not here, but listen. Mommy, come here. I want to make you a call this morning. Go and play Saturday. I'm on something wrong. I'm going to get Jesus back home. Where are you coming from? Go find what? Pitney what? Go okay. You want to stay? Like
Go look for this up properly.
I think I sit good there, I can't matter those. You're foolish. You're not kind of foolish. You're not picking my people tomorrow. Why you can't do yourself? I'm trying to buy nice soup. What price now? I can't get them. I can't get this one, man. You know, so when I didn't try to buy nice soup. But you have something like a deal right here with me, I say.
I feel happy because I love them and everything. I just they don't love me, so.
What you?
Emma.
As I say.
Wait. What's your name?
You say, your sister, one of them throw pepper in ice.
Me see, I'm telling you see. What them do throw something all about?
I know, my stomach can burn me. I'm must look at her can hear one time I talk about pepper. And then all of a sudden she call, Mommy, come here. And when I go to the buy, I come back with soup, dab pepper. Now my stomach can burn me. When me
Call them.
You call them if you pity them.
Bob! Yeah? Come here.
Ready?
Ocho, pepper and stepmother's food.
Pepper.
I wipe the smell off your face. Come know what I want to do it.
No, I don't know.
So, me don't make you eat no pepper because I can't eat pepper. How pepper reach in
But
there?
get pepper, no pepper there. No, we don't try no pepper in our soup. You have to have sister, no.
One day, if pepper come in the pack, so.
Ramen.
You come night?
It type of only if a shrimp ramen, it come in like that's chicken, no come with no pepper. Me no idiot.
Them I make some new ramen.
They don't make nothing new. One hour to do it, and you can't tell me nothing.
I know we not go near in pack soup.
Alright. I'm going back. Very rough. But anyway, we're going to figure out a way with them picnic because them trouble for true. Maybe them do it and I don't know if I factor make a bad mistake. Alright. Now try to answer.
So, Emma.
As I say.
I know, so I wonder why I call you out here, you know. I would nice on my child, you know. I thought I know. Listen now. I know say I know where I want me to back with no mother, but what no mother do to me, I can't forgive her.
Me, what you do to my mother, and she do it back to you.
But hear me I say now. Now, the lady in there, out for left you now because I own no treat her. I want to stepmother, you know.
Stepmother, I don't know stepmother. Step so we don't walk on.
Then I own no mother then in one sense then.
Which mother? No. First thing first one. Make me talk now, daddy. First thing first, I want mother me have. That lady cannot cook, my mother can cook.
Yes.
Okay? She put me on toilet for 1 week straight. 1 week.
I don't want anything to eat from her. Where there she cook rice and peas and the peas did they float up on the rice top. What is that? And rice porridge?
First thing first, rice. Pussy I'm gonna eat pussy rice and shred the rice straight.
Well, oh no, give me a your father deserve to be happy, you know.
So if you
have to find somebody go back to mother.
So everybody can happy.
Yes.
But here one now. That will never happen.
I be a work list man pick up daddy.
That will never happen. So hear me I say no. I'm not no more do you know.
Only one
anyway,
pick up our mother.
the buy the worker so. What on the yard? Who clean up your house?
Who?
Oh no there.
Yeah, we have it woman in
that
man say.
No, she go left.
She go leave the
place. Make she clean before she go.
No, she go she now come back here because I want to treat her. And some things I want to do to her. We don't put this in our food. We don't put pepper in our food. We don't throw salt in our water. She said ice and we don't put salt in the ice.
That's nice.
Normal, you know?
She feel like the area. Yeah, let me take up something.
I can't bother you. We don't bang up something. Bang. Bang up the one now. We can't talk to them. We don't soon reach age where we go push out a whole and go have no whole relationship. Then the time we can have a woman.
That's a while ago. You know what my thing was not, you know, because I don't want to dismantle the woman then they try to control her.
You can't take much of life.
Me no business.
Alright. Come.
Me dismantle her.
Say how can I use how
So yeah, you go in there, How will I like you?
What kind of phone is this one?
You must never show this one like I kiss you up, so I was stuck in there. What kind of hairstyle that?
you look a wax around with you?
Purple, come right here, please, because we don't want to hear. Just like that, do not want you.
You look funny.
Bad.
Not pick me, not tell me I'm going to pick.
But after no lie.
Nah,
But
good.
then you see your piece as well lie rice. Kaya ako lang
Outside. Man, I make some touch on this channel because I would have you today. Oh, move from this side of you. Run from the shop. I look like this, so I can't feel like a flavor.
One day for.
But we went.
One day for.
Where you there for?
Yam.
Where you there for? The day I was going to pass in yam and come up in a bed with daddy.
Excuse yourself. That's my father business, not yours.
Not mine, it's soon. What's mine? But if you go somewhere, stay there.
Come out of the kitchen.
Come out of the kitchen. I never know say the bill place put here. And your kitchen, you come back and see baby love, you come back and see me. So I know your chat. Maybe since you chat about stepmother, right?
Things like it so long this morning.
Always wrong. I don't want to stretch it no further.
Let's see if she wants for me. Ay, God.
I'm going to wash again.
This
Sweet as well. Oh, hold on, Pan.
Look at her, come on back kitchen, I don't want to put me on power.
Yeah, come on back kitchen. Yeah, don't put your hand on me. You can't put your hand on me. Who you? Look at you.
Please. Come on back kitchen.
No, if my body there, please don't look so. We will not pay for breakfast, we say. Just because you know we can't go for breakfast, feel we?
We don't have maid.
You are the maid. You are the maid.
I want to take him. Make me wash them. I see him to the master here.
I know we are going to make a wash them and daddy are going to make a wash them.
What
the
father
can't wash them?
Wash them.
You have to go leave.
Okay then.
You have to go to work, leave.
Okay, mom. Okay, big one. You want to take one before the time that's we full of too much attitude.
Don't worry about that. So we see what you want. I will not take yours because our father.
Very glad. Very funny.
I think my friend. So my friend and the
Daddy,
Excuse me.
Yo, hear me answer to you now. Me don't know, look like me not feel happy. Cause since me stop talking now, and every woman me carry come on my yard now, the pitney them a fight against them and do some things disrespectful and them way there. And them reach age and now, but me can't really lick them. Cause me lick them, me a go jail. Right? Because they have new rule and new law. Mama, talk to the kids them. Because you them want me get back with them and not get back with you because you don't know. You move on to show them the level that you know. So you move on to. Right? But this is happy to you know. The amount of things you do to make yourself happy till we break off. See them now 4 pitney there and the 4 pitney them. I give me a problem now. I go send one come up come stay with you know. I go send one them come stay with you. Right? Yeah man, but call rest of them and talk to them. tell them say daddy deserve to be happy. Alright? Please and thank you. Most of the money come here to man, know yourself. Alright.
Hello, you need to come out to contact your picking them, you know.
I don't know why.
Me fi try get through to them. Me out there say in the kitchen actually look about something to eat. Then come there wash and then flash water for me. And me not fi say nothing about it. Me look here, you have to go choose. You have to go choose. Either me or you pick them because they don't have no behavior. Look how long me there and I see them behavior over and over and over every day. Me cook, they mess with it. Anything me have, they mess with it. Even me clothes them, they throw bleach in the machine and burn out the whole of them. I tell me fit and with them, I pick here. You must say I idiot. You don't want to get through to nobody. Either me or them.
Them flash water pan you, flash water pan them. Them flash water, you take it up with and dash pan them. Can't only collect them, water don't have that. Water war, them want water war. But apart from that, if you say me for choose, I have to choose between them because of my responsibility to them regardless of what. Because they're young and they're reach the age to push up on their own. So when them reach the age of consent and they can push up on their own and all, I go have a place to myself. But for now, I have to work with it. So you have to just stay to them way and them stay to your way. Because that I tell them say them to cook for themselves. Since they say you can't cook, I tell them to cook for themselves then. You know what I mean?
Me can't cook or them a sabotage eating. Me out there cook good so they didn't get it. Left your rice, all if you dry them, buy me come out the pot full of water. Left your piece pan the fire, then throw the water out of it and make it burn up. What you want me to do? Cook over it? I eat that maybe? Alright, you choose. You know me I go do. You choose your picking them. I'm not telling some of them I pick them. I don't have no picking for myself yet, you know. I'm here stressed out with fear tree. Hey, me can't tell myself.
I'm not 3 or 4.
A little boy not bad as a 3 little girl out there, so. A little boy will come and help clean up a place, yes. But the 3 little girl, them, me don't even know. No, me not go.
But them mother grow them, we can't, I mean, I will raise them and all. Why, bro?
Then I have to show me go.
Well, Mama, if you have to go on still because I can't really hold you hostage if you have to move because them people are stressing for you. Because my time I slap them but you know the rule and the law set me just go and survive with them. Alright? Sorry about that though.
Oh, no, come here. Mama, go here.
Uno, time for you go now.
No, you see,
Pack your things and go.
make sure you walk in a crew, yeah? It's like on here, on the again.
Go for Uno.
But after we
Remember.
Wow, what you do? I mean, guys.
Your
Show
father,
how you move out. Show how you
your
move
father
out.
can control. Little girl, move.
Show me move out, walk. Show me move out, walk. What you mean? What you move out, walk? Hey, you got giant suitcase, so lift it up there.
Call on this lift it up.
Where you walk? Take over.
And I roll up.
You know, so no man.
But she not man, she come out and check her home. We go for walk in a
Don't
She said when she saw her, she go home and beat me, so we are trouble her.
So, and then the shop home.
When you see them beat you up out there, you never know one.
Which one?
Because we don't respond to that again. We can't come here, so I'm going to want to see how many years, so and I'm going to know. You never know one.
But she didn't have
I'm upset with it because you know I forget a woman.
Are you not pick up the right one?
I don't know. Yeah, pick up some prices.
Yeah.
Like I'm not.
So wait, the rest of the road this so.
What, toy?
So wait, the one out there now.
As you walk, you should drop in that dirty water.
What out there now?
Anything we have.
I still don't want to find the phone, so I'm going to go back in there so the phone.
Where you want? Where you want?
Come.
No, me want you walk, man. You good.
No, I don't want me. I want to talk to you.
Talk to me for what?
Okay. Don't go. I'm a father. You can't make me hear you. Me and you have a look out. I can't keep you in my back room, you know. But now if you know you're on there.
Go over there before me take you back and lick you down.
So
Yeah, I was father. Me and you will live in a house back home.
I'm a father, nothing wrong.
Me and your father done. So me
That
and you
I am a
them
father.
done.
No, me and you not done. Yeah, my father done.
One over in the yard. And go look at. Go look at. Let it go and go look at size. Good on. Go look at size.
Yes, it's just a number.
Man, this is like a pitney here too. You think you're a big man?
But you know me I give you a chance to stay in your family.
Stay in with family.
I look at the reason
Over way.
Yeah?
You notice I'm left on your
Look,
palace?
but look now, my sister they can't do nothing, we fight them.
You don't go and go fight them. If you fight them, then I'll fight them. If you want to lick your hand to the bed, they will kill you today. Let me know what they lick your hand. You can't do that.
So me can't
Mr. Daddy Brian. Yes, something so far. Tell me I feel like something. Yes, something so far.
So I'm not doing it. I don't time to show you.
You must be mad.
So your father shoes when me tie phone and send you to school, time to choose place.
Me can't.
Hey mother, me I go for. I go for the mother, you know.
You're a good daughter. You're a good
No, I pull out further. Come. Tie father shoes.
Oh, you think that we are like say the king? You're type of shoeless?
So we never school tie shoes.
The teacher them.
Me can't.
Shoes over here.
And first thing first,
Just make one board. Just make one board. Tie
I
it
only
on.
wear shoes.
Yeah. That's
We are
right.
pushing and push out. That's
right.
But my shoes lace. The bright so more.
I have a piece of money for you. Here. You come back.
You just say my shoes is.
No, yourself.
So where you go?
I go for my mother.
Who?
My mother.
Alive.
Yeah, man.
We're not here. Why? What's up?
Me here,
You see my for me not happy?
No discipline.
He just been on food. Let's go like him.
Idiot.
The damn head shaped like a board. Send me every time I say from the time I'm growing, I say, see this is no on phone. Are you on? No, sir.
Good night.
Good night. Here is mama. What's your name?
I would like to introduce you to the new.
The way you tell your mother. I that way I say.
Mother.
We don't want no stepmother.
Stepmother.
You don't need to know that. Stepmother. She's sleeping.
Come on, baby. These are my kids out there. Four of them here.
We don't want no stepmother. Girl, you try to go out for the phone from here. We don't want you here.
Actually, the last.
You're not in the family.
The last time we can't put them out there. Here.
Alright.
You go down the bed.
Alright.
Go down the
One
respect.
out bed.
Go down the respect.
Come here, Daddy.
But soon start feeding them.
Come here.
Listen. Listen me now.
Pull it back. But yeah, you didn't really pull it.
But me mess with you now. Me go give you some money. You lose $2,000 a while ago.
2000 can't come in.
You know what?
If you would have buy food, I have $2,000 out of food back my time.
You know they're going in the soul them this.
But what me I say? Look on the brother. Conservative and cool.
And because in the panel phone.
No, in
Just
the
because in the
phone,
panel
you
phone.
said.
Then you not even want to know where you're certain car in the house. You tell me say woman that come and see the other guy bring you.
Oh, me must call money.
Mommy wait, no woman come like a witch.
You have to know a lady.
We know these names. She know we.
You know
What's that kind of know we? Alright. Go on.
If you don't make this one you leave.
Hey.
Like how you make the rest of them leave. You might have to leave too.
No problem. Because thank God. You know long one left
So you eat already, babe?
Yeah, man.
How will you eat?
But do you look after some egg and bread this morning?
What are you picking them there? Them eat already?
I don't know about your picnic them in the fire crap. Them picnic they too bad, them, you know.
Tell me what they do to you now.
But I saw tell them shoes, my arm and stitch cool. All this, I never want short with hair come in. One long pants, but the way they cut me, I have to just finish cutting and tell me that shorts. I love them, you know, but I don't know, they said I don't want to look after nothing for them because I go pies with them. So, I don't know.
You understand where I come from? Because from I left them mother, and more than 5 to 6 women come here. They run everyone they come. You know what I mean? So, I must have the first time I talk, I tell us I have some bad picnic and them. You know what I mean? So that's what I stay. Yeah, man. And you say you will work with it. So, stick to your words. Just like when you cook for them, that easier. No more, do not cook for them. Because them big enough about something for themselves. Right? So you just about something for me, and about something for yourself. Yeah, alright. You just stay to them way. Just stay in my way, but I can see you. You know what I mean? So I see you, alright. I'm a picnic them, they ask go be me picnic. Anything they want me, give them. But yeah, them not feel you have to talk. Just talk to me when you want somebody to talk to. Alright?
Alright. I tell you that also. I gotta take a 1 hour go down your road and come back.
Alright. But be safe on the road, you know. Right? Safe on the road. You walk on the road. Put this in your pocket.
Alright.
Anybody try do nothing. Alright? Alright, go on do your thing. When I finish edit up something, by the time you come back, we'll bought some soup or something. Alright?
Alright.
Alright, then.
That's nice. You found out the gold digger.
Hello, I don't want to find out the money because I already have my money.
So you say to work it down like.
So you say
The laws are saying otherwise.
Anything you want me buy that for myself. I don't want to
I got the money here
I
to
like.
do it.
Me saw when I go in Nigeria last night.
Look at this.
It was say.
But don't say me say this. You can just go and talk because I don't have much to say to you.
Go and talk.
If you have a bowl of on your finger hot water for them.
That salt. Hot water, salt. Go on my business, gold digger.
Watch ya. Walk like in the pound cloud.
Come, show me some.
Come
Yeah, we can forgive. Oh!
Hello. Come on. One no gram so, one no do. Yo, watch out. One no do. No that do. No do. One no ram together, one no ram so much, must be loving. One no ram so much. Because one no go there, you know. One brother and sister, one no ram so.
You're too rough.
One no top, one no ram, one no too big for ram. Hello. No ramping. Alright? There are things to do. But up on the road, so editing, I can go up on the road sharply from now. Alright? Alright. You're not in trouble outside.
You don't know, say my man when me moving with him, they might give me beer hell down there. I do one bag of something, put pepper in my food, all of them like I said, they cut up my clothes them.
Cut up your clothes them.
I don't know what kind of bad picnic man have down there. So me I say, know how our thing run a country when picnic not behave already, you know.
No joke.
No man, serious business.
Alright.
So, me call her when I feel forward.
Come to know.
No.
Give them a first pass through.
I don't know if the later could have worked though. Me just go on in and just do the normal.
I'll come circle
thing.
later.
Alright then, just show up me when you're forward.
Yeah, good.
Alright.
Okay. Ay. Alright, who's that? Go back to 6 5. I don't know what 6 5. No, you're not having. Boss. 8. Alright. 5. Watch out! Me can't bet see up on the road and go look, man. Look on the clothes where they're wearing.
It's scandalous. Look how half a year out the door.
Oh, we can't chat so?
Chat can't too much.
I'm active, I'm wear whatever I want to wear.
Whatever you want to wear.
More than better
know where you want to wear.
Yeah, Marcy.
Business. You want me to tell your father?
I'm going to tell my father. But when you say me, I shall do something about it. Him not know nothing about it.
Right. Sooner or later,
Right,
you will
true.
come out here.
Okay.
Take yourself and go and do this.
See which one we are going to live first if I meet our own.
Alright. Got you too.
Like little shots we have on the phone. You.
How that means? How we play?
No offense,
You know say a thief?
As she did.
I'm in the flip.
You know, so I just ain't go call her because I have to go up on the road here. Yeah?
Alright.
Get him out. Try to make. Try to straighten my van there and deal with it, you know? Yeah, blessed. Yeah, down there now. Yeah, the person not did the number, your number right now. We never get to get your number. Shut the door though. Yeah, she out the door already, you know. Oh. She over the next place.
I didn't know what I treated them. I just
Alright, hear me now. Come on then. I can't touch you right now. No, I'm not talking too much, you know, because I'm not big shit. You ever know, Daddy?
yeah.
You see me there now, I'm going to do some business, make some money, right? Now, you are the man of the yard. Till I forward back, right? Run the yard till I forward back. Now, what can you do? Come back. When you don't go to step on and trouble.
We don't know
We
step
don't
mother.
know step aside when you walk.
Cut off a stepmother every day.
Go step.
Sorry, stepmother.
Mercy.
If I can pick up some shabby girl, I know it's still so.
Hey, Mercy.
Mommy, I best money ever find in my life.
First thing, go pick up one we can cook, don't pick up one that's dressed like a go-go.
Let me think, I don't get bones here, but I don't say that one.
At least you know
Fried cheese, and I'm What?
You don't know it too much to no mother. No mother is a bun cigarette and drink rum.
But you never used to do it too.
Right, Mercy.
Oh,
Every day she chop a gambling shop.
not too fast.
Stand
And then let people look good.
Mercy. First one come and try give me diarrhea, I push it out to start. Next, see this one you come like a go-go and a coffee.
I mean, I think that's something that make my own food. You're going to food, full of cooking story there. You not eat that, you know.
But wait, when I step mother in the south can cook.
Yeah, man. I want to stepmother, I have money, I depend on nobody. Who we play?
Me deep play this. Also, me football.
Yo, Juta. I can forward I know, you know, because my man, him grandpa, already can forward I know.
But you say come do the maths.
Yeah, man.
Alright, let's say 340.
Alright.
Alright, put the phone on.
No.
Put the phone. Alright, you too. Put the phone on. Right? You can't man, put the phone in there. Pass him on. Give me back. Oh, you're trying to two come here and give me back. Put this line. Put it in there. Any more phone? Yeah, take out that chain there. Take out. Oh, take out. Take out. Alright, take out that chain there. Take out that chain there. Oh, take out the chain there.
Me take me out more. What's this?
Put it nice.
Mama, give me a chain, please. Me no want.
Sit down now.
Mommy, we are going to. You see you? You are the man in the house.
You're top woman in the house.
Imagine you're in here and people are robbing. Never let back in door that is so come here. And the man box me hat in and me not take you, you know. If you let to come and hang up on our box or down. Don't that fucking us. Lock it more.
I don't want to again.
She went there when the robbery had gone.
She in there, so after we go tell her she laugh.
The man have gun?
Yes.
So no expect him, if she will fight the man with the gun?
But we tell her and she come out and laugh.
Because we're not enemies, so when you know we're not.
Oh, see, I pick up here.
No, we're not
You know, no matter why you're not afraid, Daddy. You know how we do that.
But we're not big, we're not big.
We don't want to live with my mother. No, I live with
no man has some. Oh, God. We're not putting your bed rough. That's even how I want to say, though.
the woman on your Sunday.
We're not going to do it. But I'm going to do it. I'm going to do it.
But you know, say your daughter then tell me say man coming pan them and rob them. After me see them right so me not hear nothing, them a tell me say man rob them. But just have your laugh cause we can't believe that.
Maybe I lie, man, tell you.
I feel like you don't know your play them drama.
Then they love full prank and some rap prank, man. Remember, we don't have to do something. So you good though?
Yeah, man.
You eat something?
Maybe cook some food.
Alright, so that's that. So we're gonna clear it out tonight and chill out first. Right. Hold a shower.
Alright.
You want to join me?
Not today.
I know I'm going to be 2 times a day. Alright, you know, no. You go all be the while ago and thing. We call your mother if you go. Yeah? Get yourself ready to go.
So about we? We don't want to live with you.
Your mother no want to know right now.
Why?
She don't have a space there. 1 bedroom and she have a man come to know one day. Where they go sleep? One of the can see but the bed small. So she send that one to come, look one come. So look one, come. Get yourself ready.
Me go home soon. Look at me, my tenement yard.
One no matter that things, but you soon get the older one, you know.
It's so more
One more year you can push up on me.
It's so more about the house because I can't tell you not sit here no more. Me there no one else I get robbed.
This is.
So how me I get back on phone? You buy one new phone?
Listen now, what am I saying to you?
Me not live so that me can't get one new phone. Me don't know how to work. I need a phone. Me can't live without a phone. Me need a phone. Me want a phone.
You what I'm going to do for you? Yo, you and your sister, your father go down by the road, make sure look for.
Which walk?
We can walk a market.
Me don't want no supermarket. Me don't want pack nobody bag. Me don't want to do that. Are you supposed to provide for me because me still young?
You hungry?
If me hungry, me not. If I woman cook, me don't want no food.
No cooking on our food. Meat in our fridge. Cooking on our food, rice, everything today.
Okay.
For no one. You see like I want no manners.
Who are you?
Are your mother good? What's your name?
Your woman, no, that's a chat to man. Make me chat. Yo, that's a chat to man. Your woman.
She done tell me she.
I don't have a partial chat and I'm going to say they done chat already.
But if you never cut up the woman pants, you don't never done shots. No, no, calm down.
Alright. It's okay. You say I love my mother more than you, and how you start that.
You have too much mouth.
Me not business that she me take care of her. Just hate him. Him pick up you.
Yeah, no, just tell him for me. Anytime you miss me, show me what. Better.
Alright. Enjoy.
I will. Make all know.
Power. We have phone.
Mama, my phone.
Which mommy? Who's mommy?
Now go fly out, you know. There are some things to deal with. By tomorrow, or so, I'll fly out to the place. You can tell your sister them, I want to know, so when I run off the place, you see new girl there. Yeah, man, you know, so I'm going to talk to you. This when you get whole lot, you will understand. You see? So, you see, when you have a woman, you can make your children them decide for you. Because children have their own life to live, and your father have his own life to live. Would you like when you see one look a nice girl on the road like this, you can't deal with that girl? Alright, so the me not say not more than that. Me just say alright, right? Because time gonna come if you go have a little girlfriend and give her money to take care of her. Alright? If you breed her, you have to go mind the picnic. Go on. Go on now. That was good. Alright, what may I say now? You know, say I never tell you from early, but I tell the kids them already, so no matter who I tell first. Right?
Okay.
I have to go fly out. I make a one move with one of my artist graduate. Now I do some engineering. You know, I have to do sound check and then something there. So you may have a experience with that. how deal that cost to see. You know what I mean? We're not that long though. It's like a 3-week tour. You know what I mean? Jumping at some venue and this and that. Alright? Me are feeling for somebody. So, I'm money making. I make some money and come back. So you're there with the kids then. Right?
Alright.
A simple mathematics though, man. You know how them scared. You see, but most send money come if you pick up money. You just buy food, put in the house, and if them want about it, they don't about it because they move like a big people. Them and you know why them don't know task or no war, you know. So long as just make sure they get food and allow them out. Say good though.
Yeah, man.
Alright, so we'll get some rest cards. Early should go out the morning. Alright?
Yeah.
I know you love sleeping a light, so I want to look for me and stretch your night. I mean, you watch stretch your night.
Poor thing.
So that's some cute stuff you can do.
What time to text somebody right now? I'm call already. Daddy,
What one?
you can't talk to Chanel and Bob because then they give me a problem and they now wash up the plate. Them and one bag of sitting.
What them there?
They in the hall and they expect me alone to do everything. I can't bother. Pull it run with.
One of them there.
Chanel, Bob. Oi!
Hey!
Daddy want to talk to you. Daddy want to talk to you. Come for your phone. Come sit down and say. How old is this too? Yeah, Daddy.
I want to deal it down there.
What we are do?
Your big sister, I understand the land, don't want to put it down there, but the overseas in the stuff there, and I call me there, you know. I sure say, me I make money that was done alright, you know. Right? So I want to do the right thing, you know. Gonna take time and do the chores them around the house.
And me alone do everything.
Mother don't get along. So who no need to go in a fair way, you know, it's going to phone away, but who not have to take care outside. Out in the hall and the kitchen and the wash the plate them. You know what I mean? I make your big sister cook for you.
No cook for nobody in the car.
So we not do the right thing,
Cook for
man.
nobody without no manners. But Daddy like shit, so we help her. So oh no. Knock it.
You know, I'm so far down, you know, I just have some little more place stuff. You know, we are just we are doing a tour. So I'm telling them this to be out just a reason, so I don't want to know call me and tell me no foolishness. I want to communicate, right? And just do your thing, do the right thing, man. You know right from wrong, you know. We're growing the right way, you know, alright?
I want to chat to them then now go here. Yeah, the country one here and come back to the next one. Try make sure. Yeah, right now I'm fed up.
Send my mother over there, on the granny. Let you talk to me, you know.
After grandma can't control none of them.
You know, yeah, we are coming there. Hey, me put up on the floor, you know, so that's all right with that, though. But I already said, love on the skill, you know, just do the right thing, man.
Alright, Daddy. Alright, Daddy.
Alright, do the right thing.
Alright. Feel me like a picnic? Who is that?
May I come?
The daughter-in-law was going.
There.
You good?
Yeah.
You talk to me, son. You talk to you. You call me and he said, if you come to the town and see if everything alright, you know, no good and everything and the grandchildren. So come and call a reason. So let me call a reason. All the time I see you, man. See if you're going from all.
You like the most gone.
Yeah. And some officials, someone know, you know. So the time really hot. So what's really going on?
Boy, you know, your son and Pitney them not give me a chance. They might give me ill.
My grandchildren, them?
Yeah.
So what's really, what they not listen to you. You know, you have to learn to work with them. You know kids are, you understand?
Them when they're bad.
And my son raised them good, you know. I'm a strict father, so I don't understand something not right because, you know, him raise them good. Him teach them good manners and principles. So I don't understand why them give you such a hard time.
A little birdie tell me say them they like nobody with them father bring come here, so I just go on, you know, see how me and them can get along.
To be truthful, I kind of understand some things because, you know, children say they want them both parents to be together. You understand? And whatever happened between them mother and my son, me not get involved in it. Me just cry peace and make them work out because them are big people. You understand? So, me don't really know the truth, but my son over there work and him a work hard for take care of her. And I'm worried. Because him feel say something right and that's why I must come check up and see if everything good. So, I don't know, I have to try and work it out. And I make him over there stress himself. I'm a boy, you know, and I love him very much. I don't want nothing to my pitney. You understand? I love my grandchildren him too. I like you, I have to accept you. You understand? Is who him choose. I can't go tell him say well so and so. Even if I don't like you. You understand what I'm saying? I have to make him, you and him work out to know one sweet salvation. So it have to work. I have to try harder. You understand what I'm saying? Kids always are going to be kids, but the parents have to really stand strong and make them know, so whatever they say, that's what, you know, that's what should happen. Nothing otherwise. So you have to go work a little harder. You remember now, you're the mother now, you know, because the mother gone. And when my son over there work, now you have to there with them. And when we can drop in every now and then and say if everything alright, or if we need anything, and we can drop in and say here is this or here is that. But we can't there all the time. So we have to try and work it out. So remember, I'm going to hold one reason with the three of them.
Alright.
And see what's really the major problem. You understand? As I say, my son called me, I know I'm over there worried. But he must work hard so 2 ends can meet, 3 ends can meet, and 4 ends and all the ends can meet to take with you. You understand what I said?
Yeah.
So on your side, you just try hard and make along and get along and, you know, things can happen. So how you feel about the idea with them, you and them one here? Do you feel happy or are you unhappy?
I feel happy, you know, because I love them and everything. I just them not love me, so, you know.
As I say, they are kids. And you know, all kids still when they don't have them both parents in the house. Them feel, you know, a stepmother shouldn't have to come in and tell them to do this or do that. Likewise, if it's a stepfather, but just try a little harder and make it work. Because I don't want my son still and have to work so hard to take care of him and then not stress out himself. You understand me? I want things to work out. So try a little harder. Alright, later.
Alright.
Yeah, we'll talk. Grandchildren. What's that now? Oh, yes, sir. You're not beautiful yourself, you know? Come on, talk to me. That was all right. We're not big kids enough to talk to children, we're not teenagers. Look how big one is. Why we're not going to parent so much, such a hard time? Why would you not listen to the stepmother? You know, say your father have to move on. He can't live like that for the rest of his life, you know. He's a young man, he must have somebody in his life. So what's the problem?
I don't really wear the problem. We not talk about move on or what. But that just can't back with mommy and done. That's all we want.
So you, put the phone down, I'm talking to you. I can't be talking to you on the phone at the same time. That's not manners. What's your problem?
I don't have no problem. The problem is I don't like no woman and daddy can come here. And an old mother alone like, so if I'm a mother then it not go work.
Grandma, me just don't like my grandma. When you come here, you just cut my vibes, grandma. Just don't like her.
In what way?
She come here, she not even help clean up the house, grandma. Only we alone a clean the house. She not even cook, give me, she all come and give me her dirty clothes to wash.
So all this all this problem I'm having with this lady. If anybody talk to her on the phone, don't talk to my son about it.
We're tired for chat. We're tired for chat to him. You know, listen, when we talk to daddy, he come like say go through one ears and come back out to the next one. The only thing in there listen to the woman, them, you know, listen to we as in pitney them. You don't believe nothing what we say. Because go on, he feels that we are liar.
Alright, when I go do, I call my son and talk to him and hear what's going on. Because I hear phone side and I not hear film side. I mean, you understand? I talk to the lady and it's a different source. I mean, I don't really know the truth. I have to talk to my son. Okay? Alright? But in the whatever happened between him and the mother, listen, them have to work it out. You understand me? You own our children and I can't get involved. Listen, me I talk to him and put your foot down and have some manners. You may talk. Put your foot down and sit up properly when your grandmother talk to you. What kind of behavior that? Me say you have a problem, you know. You need to straighten yourself up. Maybe you are to get a woman problem. Alright, me talk to the father. Alright, just gonna follow the comments and come check up and find out what's going on. Some check and so on and do and blah blah blah. So I'm never gonna know. I'll call him and talk to you. What a reason being. Okay? I'm talking.
Yes, you are.
Alright, cool. Good. Oh boy, man, tell the kids. Why, kids, man, tell you. What is a handful? Tell them about it. How easy?
She go up here outside the house.
Someone didn't hit me on the grocery store. Being bothered. Alright, move to push your head in my phone. Okay. Hello. I wish I know like a store. Make sure, cause every minute we come out to stove on. And when did I come?
No, I say I come to you. No.
Alright. Alright. Me lick one arm in the face, you know, one arm for this stuff. No, let me know. One arm for this. No, let me know.
Lick me. See no much of a face now. Lick me now. Lick me now. Lick me. See me.
Alright, don't talk about it. You know what? Me, I'm gonna take my brother to know. I'm carry it. Very yeah.
One.
Just sleep. You are here for the life. True.
Boy. I stick
Yo, Juka. Yeah, more I found teaching people me a lesson, you know, cause it look like they don't learn from the last time, especially little black boy. Yeah, then start again. Alright, so when I can come? I know more you forward, you know. Yeah, brother, cause them I get out of hand. Alright then, just link me. Call me when I almost reach.
Oh, you film this. I'm gonna get a new phone.
When I get on your side.
Shut up your mouth, man. Shut up your mouth, man. You hear me say no? Shut up your mouth, you know.
Mama can come back again for.
Imagine.
You're not satisfied, my youth?
Sir, I have nothing here.
Yo, man, I want you a word out there, man. You hear that?
So, we can't
No, no more phone. No, no more phone. No more phone. No more phone. Sit down there, sir, now. No more phone. Sit. I'm going to sit. No more phone. You say no more phone. I want. Tap nice and press. Where's the quiet? Tap it. You are lucky enough. Flat off here.
We are gonna have a phone. We are gonna know.
Just walk come out there and the TV said if you get shot.
Wait, let me see. Anything you want me to do, okay? That's
You don't know about the things here. You want about the food. You can't do that. So I go to get this. I'm not sure no mother left give me one.
have good, but we don't get it.
Yeah, something to tell them.
Well, because right now, you know someone that they don't know right?
No.
I never feel no argument today. Me have one uncle up in my community in a dance of this. So if you want to be able to sell, me making get a link and we get back on the things them way so-called robbers take from.
Well, listen, if you behave yourself,
What time are they give?
they get on them.
Of course, you'll see on the bad.
Alright then. Deal.
Alright. So make we see by now and in a week before the week.
In a week?
That's too far.
You could sell later.
Can I give it up? Come on.
By later,
That's it,
until we start again. Today Wednesday, so by
Thursday.
Friday, we'll see where it goes. We have to just be here. Now we get back to the things.
Yeah, do it.
So then we'll go work it. I'm another choice. And then I'm there on the phone.
Alright,
So by Friday, phone are you going to put down?
yeah, if we're gonna be here, then I don't know.
Alright, okay.
But you realize what you know, like I say, you know.
Alright.
The news is you come up with the news like you know how you clone the news look.
Yeah.
Yeah, clone news
That's
you have.
not, you know, the
Clone news. Just when you
What do you say? No work with me, right?
Then I must know what things.
What things are
You know what? You work on TikTok and Instagram.
Alright, me talk about the we are going like some light car, right? Pretty nice, like we are living a good and proper. Not to have no trouble. Until we get back with things then we can start back with the foolishness. But
some things can be mine for you.
Some other
next week.
amount of things we have been stored in the building. Never do with our happy.
Yeah, nothing.
So just be on the best behavior. Already here.
Already.
No, clown notes.
Hello, I'm looking one.
I need full like here.
No, girl,
I'm just getting here up on your food.
Wait, may I find you? Come. Who that? Come.
Hi.
Hey.
Hey.
Hello.
What do you say? We have a deal, right? So me I say no. If you can find out who shot my brother and the person who boxed me and take our phone and stuff and the chain which my mother gave me, what do I say would I live good with you for the rest of your life and you could have me I say if I could have find out you would have been best stepmother and wanna get no trouble and listen to everything what you say.
But so how are you alone at all? What to your brother and sister? Them not agree to it?
Yes, they agree, but they're just speechless. Right? You not agree? Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, man, we agree. We just want to know who shot me and see me so they can get back the same treatment. Or worse.
Yeah, me agree because I want back my phone and I have some things funny for them.
Alright, then I'm coming, uncle. Uncle, Wagwan, you know, say we have some problem though. My stepdaughter, who me love so much. One man robbed them, box her up, and even shot my stepson. Yeah. So, me I wonder if you could have run one program, cause then say man come from the area, you know, so. Me I wonder if you could have run a program, and if you can make two man them get hurt, and them take with 3 phone, and my stepdaughter chain, so. If you can get them back. Yeah. Alright, just do that and call me back. Yeah. Alright, so my uncle say my girl in a program and see if he can get back the things them, so maybe for him to call back.
Alright.
Yeah.
Alright, well, we out of all then.
Alright.
If I want anything, you just call me.
Alright.
Alright.
Why kill them? So we get one call from my uncle. He say find what I owe. So he said me to come check him. So me I go down the road to check him. So come.
Alright.
Before
So she knows that she only babe. Which part she come from? How the uncle reach the road?
No, just
Never grip my she sit here.
Well, I'm not so sure this is still more delicious.
Yo, Juta. You see things them way take from me. Step pitney them over yard. Yo. So Where's that from? You carry a piece of food for you, know.
Yeah.
So, it's a 8 piece, so you can wear them fine. Country. And no Jamaican people.
That good, man. So where I say no? Where I say with them now?
Yes, you know, say I'm step pitney them, me make a deal with say if them behave themselves and start doing me say, they get back their phone. So that's why I'm telling them to link me so I can give them back. So I'm telling them say me have one uncle with a real top man in a place so I can get them back to me, you see me? Some more you lie down so I can take one picture of you like a dead car. I tell them say my uncle I go try hurt back him and them so more but I trick them, you know, so more you lie down so I can take one picture and show you to them.
Out, man.
Yeah, man, so I'm not tell you, man.
Alright, hold on.
Alright, farmer will take a picture.
No, we can't take a picture or something.
Alright, do that. Alright, uncle, me get that one there, so. Yeah, just show them. Say you did it, see me?
Okay.
Alright. So, anytime I want to deal with a game, I just show it to you.
Yeah, man.
Alright, big up yourself.
Yeah, man. Run up door.
Vietnam, it's about mine first. Vietnam, it's about China, it's about Vietnam.
It'll take time, man.
Oh, they don't mash up it.
At least it's about God. Jesus Christ, listen. Thanks, here.
Yeah, man. So, to tell them to say, for the beer, when I get you back, so see?
Beer.
So, what up to them?
No, just tell me, funny.
Yeah, boy. Delicate. So,
The chain tie up.
when you eat already?
No.
You want food at home?
Alright, man, I cook some food then. So, you just go and do that. Alright.
Could that be any sound?
Oh, and we have another surprise for sure. No? See? Man, dead.
Thank you, Jesus. Thank you. Thank you.
You want it?
Thank you.
Okay, so.
No, I'm not about right. I feel safe around you. Nothing
No, the man dead, so I don't have nothing for about.
God.
So, later now, I just cook up some food for me and we good again, right?
Yes.
Alright.
Alright, I play track here. You don't play track here? That teacher, man. We don't know if we're good about teacher. I don't know if we're good about teacher. Alright, that's one. You have a line here, honey? Alright, yeah, go. Yeah, fuck that. You know? Alright, yeah. Put on your line in your hand, go and mix it. You have a ear. Look, put them. Oh, she did not, she did.
Okay. That's 6.
Just slip and carry in your hand. Look. 1, 2, 7, 10. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, I'm saying. Look at it. Oh, wait. On the top. Feel like I'm on the camera. I'm going to get on the page, man. So I'm just daily someone. just enjoy yourself and do nothing for
I am doing nothing here.
Daddy, we're going.
Oh, no.
Yeah, mom. Yes. I want to let it come from. What you say?
Oh, yeah. I thought we still not live so loving. Look like we need to go more often. Come let you now walk against them on our play. I like it.
Just come from the gym.
Listen, alright, babe.
Yeah, man.
We like you, man. We want to talk to you.
You win.
You win? Come here, kid. We talk to you there. Hello, kids.
Yeah, man. You go there, brother.
So, what's up?
Yeah, Mr. I see you get your man. What kind of story this here?
So, how was the trip?
Yeah, we make some money and we use some money go for and work out, you know what I mean? So, how come you and them friend now?
No. Wait, if we talk, just the mother and daughter relationship. Then me and them just fit in and work things out. So, I just that.
Alright, well, whatever works, it works for me. You know what I mean? That means that we can take about 6 more people now.
Oh, you love too much picking me can't manage.
I just 4 people alone, and them one that's won't get bigger and push out. So I time to push out a couple more. You know what I mean? And you're only small when you survive them, because everybody else, the place that mash up. But anyway, that's a good news. Tonight we'll work on one. You hear?
Alright.
Feel like it's a good time to work on one now. Alright?
Alright.
Alright, thank God. I don't deal with some things now. We'll work on one tonight then. Push the door.
Come on, man. You go finish anything that you can do later.
Alright. Let me finish it here.
Later.
Alright.
I'll finish it here.
Nekot.
Who you?
Ask me who my mother did it.
Yeah, in there.
Call off him. Nekot.
Mommy!
Like how you and the kids get along now. If you say, I can't propose to you when I did it. Come more than second now. You want them to call it. So now a friend I know.
Come!
You know the name mommy now.
Mama not that's at you.
Oh.
I don't know him.
Alright, may I come?
Yeah.
Alright, may I come?
Alright. Hope someone about me and get going now.
No, sir.
Mommy, I come here.
Yeah.
Uncle Jita.
Hold.
Yeah. Come in.
Yeah, man.
What's going?
Because I would like me and say, I come check up on me, is it?
Children. Come here.
I think them very well.
Yeah. Meet to the uncle Jita. Him get back this of them phone in.
Oh, him. Thanks.
Respect.
Still.
Fair, man. I want to do that, though.
Just there, still, chill.
Alright, see how you see?
Yeah.
Take care of yourself, man.
Alright. So,
Respect again. Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Big up.
Blessed.
I want teacher.
How old am I now?
No one have think good, man. You look yourself, man.
I'm in a family I know, man. So.
No, I'm glad that you take care of a chef or somebody, you know that.
Yeah, man. Yeah, I forgot to buy tuxedo and them sitting there.
What's that?
We are planning. We don't find that date yet, man.
How come you say want to tell me nothing?
Because she go to the kids there, man, thing, and you know.
Oh.
And look like she pregnant too.
Oh, that's that. Just run me around past him and check up on us.
Yeah, man.
Stupid.
Good, man.
Yeah, I'm glad to hear that.
Anytime, you're welcome to come on the place. Alright, your family, I know.
Yeah. Alright, we'll take care of it.
Yeah, all one another. All one another. Yeah, well, you know your family, I know. Let me see.
Oh, that man, they sound like the man who take out box me and take out things. From me, from me.
I see
Go
you
from the board. I hear your voice.
And I see him, because I have one now. We see him now.
From me call me so something.
So you show me name?
Oh, good.
Acho que é uncle.
Alright.
You must come.
Our uncle then.
You know, saying gone. Yeah.
Alright.
Yeah.
Alright, that was. I hope you love it, and we have plenty more movie in the making now, right? So they're in editing. Yeah, cause we shoot a lot. We have a lot of movie that not even start edited, plus what is being edited now. Alright, so thanks for watching. You know what I mean? We keep the fire blazing from that time to this time. Do remember that we do advertisement, you know, so the number on the screen is the number you call if you have a product, you know, and you want it to be promoted. You know, we do that, right? So just contact the number and let me know the product that you want everybody to hear about, and we promote it. You know what I mean? All right. Glory be to the Most High. Give thanks to life. Burn it down to the ground.